She ain't doing it no more. There she goes.
She has the hiccups.
Oh, it happens. They're me hiccups are. Scale 0 to 10, how would you rate your pain?
Standing up, about a 5.
Okay.
Sitting down, about a 6 or 7.
Okay.
Never thought I'd see the day that standing up actually helped the pain.
Yeah. So is it mainly your back or your belly?
Belly.
She's starting to look nothing like us now.
Remember all those times I told you to hold my stomach because she had the hiccups inside of me?
I felt her. Most of the time it was hard to even put my hand on your stomach.
You need anything?
I'm fine.
Okay. Y'all need anything else? Let me know.
Okay, thank you.
She ain't worried about me. You see her lick her lip.
Mm-hmm. That last one scared her a little bit.
You look like you're eating something sour. You should have asked her about that paper over there.
I'm gonna talk to the clerk tomorrow about it. The person who's actually over it.
Hmm.
Because that's who I talked to earlier about it. Okay. She's putting herself to sleep with it.